Because if you broke it,
Oh, the
yeah,
light?
yeah, the inside thing when you twist it, it's broken or cracked, so you cannot just twist it and clean it and just because it will be useless. Meron silang mga seafood ba kapag gabi. So kaya gabi kami nagpunta dito. Pagkatapos ng live guys, nag-away kami.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys! So magtupi tayo guys kasi po ang dami pong tutupiin. So, yon ito gamitin ko to. Ito yung nakuha natin sa basura. Ibigay ko sana kay Brenda pero magagamit ko ito guys. Yung magpugta ba? Yung magpugtag mga gata. Or, I don't know. I think meron kami. Ipadala ko na lang sa Pinas yan. Anyway, good morning. Maayong aga sa inyong lahat dyan. Yun guys. Ang dami ko kasing tutupiin. A pillowcase na ko sa basura. Ang dami ko ng ano guys. Ang dami ko ng tawag nun. Nagamit. Yung mostly yung gamit namin dito. I mean, hindi man lahat. Pero makikita mo talaga kadalingon mo. Galing basura. Ganun. yun yung ganap dito ngayon sa bahay. Kadalingon mo, galing basura, ganun. Pero guys, magaganda guys. Uy, grabe. And then, kailangan ko pang mag-impake. Yun, magaganda yung mga nakuha natin talaga. No joke. But anyway, good morning. Ano pong ganap ninyo guys? Yun, kapag umaga. Paminsan, hindi ako ganito kabisi kapag umaga. Pagkatapos kumain, nakaupo lang ako doon sa living room. Yun, nag-scroll sa Facebook. Yun yung mga gawain ko kapag umaga after eating. And then, paminsan, punta sa taas mag-edit. Pero this time, I need to do folding kasi kailangan ko nang i-fold itong mga nabalalabhan kasi ginoo ko guys. Kapag hindi ako mag-fold, si Mr. Siya yung mag-ano. Hindi nakakapagod yun kapag siya yun kasi maano yung tingin ba? Masama. Wala mang sinasabi pero masama yung tingin na ikaw talaga, hindi ka na nagpo-fold palagi. Ganon. Mga ganong look ba? Ang tapul-tapulan mo naman. Ganon. Ang tapul-tapulan. And then, alam nyo ba kung asan si Mister? Gusto nyo makita? Busy. Busy. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Tara. Tara, dalhin ko kayo guys. Sunod ng sunod. Oh. Ganyan yan siya. What are you doing? How are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you still doesn't see it?
It's in here. I know. I saw it on my phone.
No, I'm talking about the electric.
No, that's not in here.
No? Alam nyo guys, naloka ako. Kasi kailangan namin ng bill ng buong year ng para tax. So, yun yung ganap. Kasi para sa akin, kasi yung tax ko guys is sobrang complicated. Complicated yung sa akin. So, yun siya. Complicated man. Da, da, da. Hear me calling. All is hard. All is always hard.
I'm used to
Years ago, they set my email address without the I in my name. Apparently, somebody had corrected it. I don't know if it was Roy or what. But instead of correcting it, they actually just put in my email address again, and out of it two. And since the original one was first, it goes to that one. So my name is spelled wrong, so the email address is wrong. This is why I can't get any emails from them.
But with you everything has changed. Even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over?
Walang katapusang paglilinis. Nilagay ko na yung cover dyan. Pero, ang unahin ko muna, gamitin na natin itong nakuha natin sa basura, guys. Ang ganda talaga nito. So, itong blanket ni Tami, o itong pillow niya na palagi niyang ginagamit dito, kabera natin ng og. Og, diba? Hopefully. Uy, para talaga siya sa ganito, guys. Para talaga siya sa ano. Look. So, hopefully, ma-close natin this, eh. Oh, ma-close siya, guys. Tignan niyo naman yan. Okay. Oh my God. Tignan niyo, guys. Kasi siya, guys. Look. Kasi siya. Oh my goodness. Tinapon talaga to siya, guys. Para talaga ito sa akin. Para talaga ito sa para kay Mirian ito. Itapon natin ito kasi ano. Wala, parang may ano. May something dito. Ano to ba? Ano to? Okay. So, parang may something siya dito. So, yun siya, guys. Sabi pa nila, ibigay natin ito sa basura kasi si Mirian, ibinigay talaga ito sa akin. Anyway, so yan, guys. Yan yung pillow ni Tami Moy. Kasi dito mag-ano-ano si Mister, dito siya maghiga-higa, dito siya mag-relax. Ito yung relaxation niya dito na lugar. So kaya marami siyang cover doble-doble. Kasi kung saan si Tami, doon din yung alaga. Si Roxy, si Dimples mostly dito yan sa puwit ni Tami, oh. So, kaya may cover dito. And then, itong cover nito, guys, mali pala yung pagkalagay ko noon sa couch cover. Mali pala. Ganito pala dapat. Look. Yung parang, yun lang ba? Hindi yung parang iniinat yung, ano, parang ganyan talaga siya. Mali pala yung paglagay ko talaga. Gusto ko talaga i-cover natin yun. Kaso, gusto ko recliner kasi ito siya, guys. Itong mga couch namin, recliner. And then, yung parang mag-enjoy kasi ako sa recline kasi parang nakarelax ako palagi. Pero, itry natin i-recline. Lagyan natin siya ng cover.
When nothing's right, would you hold me tight in the rain? Even as we're having a fight, say you. I'm used to give up 100 times. It's never been worth it. But now there is so much to say. This time it is different. Sometimes I can.
So, ilagay ko yung nikuha natin na naman sa basura. Puro na lang ito basurahan, guys. So, dito lang kayo sa malayo, guys, ha? Kasi walang... Iwan ko kung bakit madilim.
Would you hold me tight in the rain? Even as we're having a fight.
That one you cannot really clean it really good because if you once you break the middle one, it's already broken
What do you mean?
in the middle. So that's why I said I'm not touching it because if you broke it,
Oh, the
yeah,
light?
the inside thing when you twist it, it's broken or cracked. So you cannot just twist it and clean it and check because it will be useless.
Say you would, say you would.
Kain kami ng lunch, guys. Napagod ako sa
If
kalinis.
there's this pasta that you don't want to have,
Here. Naitin dating. Ha?
you put it in a bowl.
Okay, can you put this back?
I don't know why you want to eat this.
No, I won't.
Pasta to eat this.
That's your food. Kain na, guys. Uy, nagulat talaga ako, guys. As in. I'm going to heat all this rice.
Have dinner.
Hala, uy, I need to cook rice. You know why?
Because your friend's coming over.
Just in case we get hungry at 12 midnight.
That's right.
Anyway, guys. So, napagod ako sa kakalinis, guys. As in, guys. And, laundry never ends. So, yun yung drama sa buhay. Laundry is life. And my husband is having some. Can you just finish the whole thing, honey, instead? You're not leaving anything. Finish it. You know, you always give to the animals. Finish it, that we can throw that out. Finish that because your kids, it will be staring at you.
Of course they will. They're already staring.
You want the soup?
Look at the little one.
Which one? Where is he? Oh, he's always staring. What?
This sauce is actually pretty good for tomato sauce.
Really? What's the name of it?
Victoria.
So yun, guys. I just want the soup. Sarap ng feeling na nakalinis ka na, pero ang dami pang labahan doon, nagdapunog. Nagdapunog yung labahan sa laundry area. Right na? Nagdapunog dyan. Fine na kami. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, ginawa ko yung buhok ko. Kailangan kong i-iron para maging okay. Kasi galing tayo naligo. Anyway, good evening guys. It's already 5:16. Alis ako dito 6 o'clock something. 5 o'clock something kasi kunin ko si Brenda. Kasi dito siya matulog. And then, yun, maraming kaming lakarin. So, anyway, so naligo si Tami. And then, naglaba. Yung labahan ko kanina pa yung umaga, hindi pa talaga tapos. Iwan ko. And ito, kailangan na namin itong dalhin sa laundry. Wash and fold na laundry. And then yun. So, kailangan namin yan. Tatlo yan. Iwan ko kung bakit, guys. Gusto kong ibigay yung iba. Marami naman kami, pero gusto kasi niya ni Tami. Yung tinira ko, gusto niya. Nagluto ako ng rice, just in case. Just in case magutom. Yun, pag uwi, yun, may rice tayo. And
2 hours later.
ako ulit, guys, look. Kasi masarap siya, nam-nam. Masarap ka siya, nam-nam. Si Brenda. Nahirapan. Asan yung ano mo, ba? Cellphone mo, ba? I-vlog nga kita. Ay, hindi ko alam kung paano yun. Yes. Kanina pa kami dito, nahirapan na kami sa ano, sa kalisod ni Brenda. Si Brenda andun siya, oh. Asan ka, be? Ang sarap ng pagkain nila dito. Lalo na yung shrimp nila, masarap talaga. Gabi pa kami pumunta kasi po, ano siya, meron silang mga seafood ba kapag gabi. So kaya gabi kami nagpunta dito. Kumuha lang si Brenda ng pagkain niya kasi ang sarap ng ano, shrimp. Thank you. Nakatingin siya sa live natin o sa video natin. Nasa Flemingville pala kami, guys. Dito na si Brenda. Napakita mo siya, Ben.
Hi guys!
Kunti lang yung rice mo.
Nagpansit ako. Tapos may rice.
Gusto mo itry yung ano, mamaya.
Masushi.
Yung sushi nila. Kasi ayaw ko magka-problema.
Buti nga pinatay na nila.
Hindi, balik-balik.
Ay, oo. Iba na naman pala.
Binubuli ako ni Ann.
Nakikita mo, meron ba akong video? Meron
Guys, nag-aaway kami guys. Pagkatapos ng live guys, nag-aaway kami. Aalis lang kami guys. Pupunta kaming dumpster diving. And then dito din si Brenda matulog mamayang gabi. Mamaya, gayon na, gabi na. Dito na siya matutulog. And then Han,
Yeah.
I'm going to leave the brownies here and you have to try it, ha?
Okay.
Because it's so good. And then my baby Roxy and Misty, you guys doesn't eat your dindin.
You're not getting the bones when I do.
Oh no, because you don't eat your dindin. No,
Can't do a bit of it.
Dito kami guys, so alis kami. Ano ba yan? Ay, tarungin mo yun. Mahihilo yung viewers mo. Anyway guys, iwan muna namin si Tami. Kasi po, mag-dive kami. Kasi yun. This is my Lala. I love you. I will call you please, okay?
You go from one video device to another.
Han, they were live, Han, and this is not live. Okay, this is live.
Is it the cats I sent you?
Huh? You send me a cat?
That's 3 of them.
Huh?
3 of them.
3 of them? Just now? Okay. Okay, guys. Kita-kits tayo mamaya, guys.